Which agentic coding methodology should you use? Wrong question. Superpowers, BMAD, Compound Engineering, OpenSpec, Spec Kit, GSD, Ralph. 9 systems all claiming to run your AI agents. Here's the truth. There is no universal winner. Each system controls a different layer of agentic development. The comparison that matters most: Superpowers versus BMAD. Superpowers behaves like a demanding senior engineer. Design, plan, real test-driven development, review on every task. BMAD behaves like an entire product organization. Analyst, PM, architect, stories, readiness, gates. Problem is pure engineering. Superpowers. Problem starts before engineering. BMAD. Next layer, specs. Both fight context drift by putting requirements in version files. OpenSpec is change-oriented and brownfield first, built for everyday work on real codebases. Spec Kit is governance, a constitution, traceability, audits, regulated environment. Spec Kit, everything else. OpenSpec. The autonomy layer, GSD versus Ralph. GSD keeps structured project state across context windows, requirements, roadmap, verification. Ralph is a loop. Pick one item, implement, test, repeat with fresh context. 2 warnings. GSD's original repo was archived this June, and Ralph will happily burn tokens repeating bad decisions without strong tests. Don't. Compound engineering asks a different question entirely. Not, how do we build this correctly? But, how does this work make every future task easier? Every feature ends by recording lessons your agents reuse. Gas town and beads. Infrastructure for 20+ concurrent agents, not a method. Powerful, experimental, and never without a sandbox. So pick by situation. Solo dev, daily coding, superpowers. Founder or product-minded, compound engineering. Big product, many stakeholders, BMAD. Existing production codebase, OpenSpec. Formal audit trail, Spec Kit. Long unattended runs, GSD once it stabilizes. And the winning combination is not install everything. BMAD when product intent is uncertain. OpenSpec when you need a durable change contract. Superpowers for implementation and verification. Compound the lessons after delivery. Want just one to start? Superpowers, closer to founder than engineer. Compound engineering, now go build.